Hey guys, what's up? So this is my Hoover Windtunnel T-Series Bagless, the pet edition. I really love this vacuum. This is my downstairs vacuum. I guess I'll give you a quick overview of the attachments. We have the turbo brush. This turbo brush is really great. It has blades. It has like these rubber blades instead of a real brush. It has a height adjustment, a crevice tool, wand, really helpful for stairs. I love that. It has a stretch hose. Stretch hose is really great. It has this filter change indicator when to wash out the filter, and it is really awesome, and I love it. It's pretty much based for pets. We don't have, well, I have a Pomeranian, but we just got this because, it's pet, so it's more premium. Yeah, I love this vacuum. It's great. And I figured I would just show you a quick demonstration. Alright. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to show you the turbo brush. The hose has really great suction to it. And that is the Hoover Windtunnel T-Series Pet. I hope you guys enjoyed it.